Hello, I'm Ross Worth, and it is my pleasure to introduce you to this course, Choosing the Right Organizational Change Model. There's a lot of confusion over the different organizational change models and what makes them different, because too often they're all thrown into one big pot with no differentiation, which causes confusion for those that are trying to manage a change initiative. So let's talk about the ideas for what a change model is and how we match the right purpose with the right model. And the word purpose is critical here because too often the purpose behind the model and what the model is totally lost in normal conversations around organizational change. So first though, what do I bring to this course? I've got over 30 years experience leading many change initiatives across the organization. I also have a doctorate in leadership and organizational change, and I've been teaching at the college level since 2004. I also have, from that teaching experience, an understanding of curriculum design from the program chair of business administration and the dean of the College of Business. The teaching approach that I like to use is what do you need to know when you need to know it, and more importantly, can you do it yourself with the support that I provide without having to go out and do consulting, service acquisition. Also, I like to use a project-oriented learning. Too often, if you just listen to a lecture, it may sound good, but then later it doesn't make sense when you try to apply it. So therefore, whenever you go through the video lectures, try to spend a little time thinking about how do you apply it to your application in your work, and also how do you apply this in change in yourself. As I've gone through in previous courses, organizations don't change. People within those organizations change, and it is important to know how you can change yourself so that you can then help others to similarly change. Objectives for the course. First, being able to classify the different change models by purpose. Secondly, identify the type of change encountered. Not all types of change are the same, and if you understand the foundations upon which the change process is already underway or needs to be maybe moved a little bit in a preferential way, it will help you choose the right approach to use for that particular change initiative. And lastly, what are the different change tools and how do they make up the change leader's toolkit? At the end of the course, you should be able to first sort through the different change models and end confusion so that you can match the right model with the purpose that you have at hand. And secondly, when you prepare a change plan, you are able to understand the underlying types of change you are facing so that you can select the right change models as needed. Organizational change, choosing the right change model.